Hello everyone, welcome to Sadeva classes. Today we are going to solve practice set 2.5 of quadratic equation chapter standard 10 maths part 1 Maharashtra State Board. We have also solved 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and 2.4, and if you haven't watched our previous videos, link is given in the description. So let's begin. Before solving this practice set, we need to remember a few things. First, if alpha and beta are roots of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then alpha is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Nature of roots of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 depends on the value of b square minus 4ac. Hence, b square minus 4ac is called discriminant and is denoted by Greek letter delta. Therefore, if delta is equal to 0, the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. If delta is more than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. If delta is less than 0, then the roots of quadratic equation are not real. The last point, the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. If we have given two roots alpha and beta, then the equation can be written as x square minus bracket alpha plus beta bracket close x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. These things we need to remember to solve this practice set. So let's start. Question number 1. We have to complete this activity. Now, first one, quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 5, that means delta is more than 0, nature of roots. Roots are distinct and real. If b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5, that delta is less than 0, then nature of the roots are not real. We need to remember this point number 3 to solve it. Next, question number 2. Sum of the roots is minus 7. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 7. Then product of the roots is equal to 5. Alpha into beta is 5. So we need to find out quadratic equation. So point number 4 of this slide. So we get the equation x square plus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. Then question number 3. If alpha beta are roots of the quadratic equation, then 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, that is minus b upon a is equal to, it should be minus b upon a, that is minus 2 minus b upon a. Okay, so it's plus 2, positive 2, there is a typing mistake. Minus 4 upon 2, minus 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. Then alpha into beta is equal to c upon a minus 3 upon 2. Question number 2. Find the value of discriminant. We have to find the value of discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. First equation is x square plus 7x minus 1 is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a as 1, b as 7 and c as minus 1. Then put the value in the b square minus 4ac. b is 7, square of 7 is 49, minus 4a is 1, c is minus 1. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. Negative becomes positive. So 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. Then next question, 2y square minus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Comparing with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get a 2 here, b minus 5 and c is equal to 10. Therefore, b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 5, the whole square is square of minus 5 minus 4 into 2 into 10. Square of minus 5 is 25 minus 80. 4 to z, 8 tens are 80. 25 minus 80 is equal to minus 55, negative 55. Third one, root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. Here, comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a root 2, b 4 and c 2 root 2. Here 2 root 2 is c is 2 root 2. Then value of b square minus 4ac is equal to square of 4 16, 4 into a into c. A is root 2, c is 2 root 2. So 4 to the 8 and 8 to the 16. So 16 minus 16 we get b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then question number 3, determine the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. First, x square minus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a1, b minus 4 and c 4. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to square of 4 is 16 minus 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So delta is 0. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So delta is 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. The first slide we need to check. See, question point number 3. If delta is 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. The roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Then next question, 2y square minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get a2, b minus 7 and c 2. So value of b square minus 4ac, we get 49 minus 16. 49 minus 16, 33. So it is delta is greater than 0. It is 33, positive 33. So delta is greater than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. Point number 2. If delta is more than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. The roots of the equation are real and unequal. Then third one, m square plus 2m plus 9 is equal to 0. Here comparing with m square plus bm plus c is equal to 0, we get a 1, b 2 and c 9. So find the value of b square minus 4ac, we get square of 2 minus 4 into 1 into 9. 4 minus 36, we get minus 32, negative 32. This delta is less than 0. That means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore, the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. Roots are not real. This third point of point number 3. Delta is 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. Then question number 4. Form the quadratic equation from the roots given. Form the quadratic equation from the roots given below. We have given roots and we have to find out the quadratic equation. Roots are 0 and 4. Let alpha is equal to 0 and beta is equal to 4. Alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 4, 4, and alpha into beta is equal to 0 into 4, 0. Therefore, the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Then put the value of alpha plus beta 4, alpha into beta 0. So we get equation x square minus 4x is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Then next, here 3 and minus 3. Let alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to minus 10. So alpha plus beta is equal to 3 minus 10 minus 7, negative 7. Alpha into beta 3 into minus 10 is equal to minus 30. The required quadratic equation we get x square minus negative 7x plus minus 30 is equal to 0. By solving this we get minus minus plus, that is negative becomes positive, plus minus minus. So x square plus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0 is the required equation. Then 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2 are the roots. 1 upon 2 and minus 1 upon 2 are the roots. So alpha is equal to 1 upon 2, beta is equal to minus 1 upon 2. So alpha plus beta we get 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, 0. And alpha into beta we get minus 1 upon 4. Putting this value in the equation, we get x square minus 0x minus 1 upon 4. That is x square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 0. X square minus 1 upon 4 is equal to Question number 4. One root alpha is 2 minus root 5. Another root beta is 2 plus root 5. Then alpha plus beta, 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5 minus plus minus root 5 cancelled. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Here alpha into beta, 2 minus root 5 and 2 plus root 5. So using formula a square minus b, a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square, we get square of 2 minus square of root 5. So 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 1, negative 1. Putting this value, we get x square minus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. We have skipped question number 5 and 6 for you to solve. Question number 7. The roots of each of the following quadratic equations are real and equal. Find the value of k. We have to find the value of k. So equation is 3y square plus ky plus 2r is equal to 0. Comparing with ay square plus by plus c is equal to 0, we get a as 3, b as k and c as 12. Finding the value of b square minus 4ac. b is k square of k square 4. a is 3, c is 12. So 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 144. Here b square minus 4 is equal to 4ac is equal to 0. The reason is roots are real and equal. Here roots are real and equal. Therefore we get k square is equal to 144. By taking square root, we get k as 12 or k as minus 12 or negative 12. Second and the last question of this practice set, kx bracket x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. By solving this, we get kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here there's a mistake. Just a minute. Okay, sorry for disturbance. Here comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a as k, b as minus 2k and c as 6. So finding the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to b is minus 2k, a is k and c is 6. So we get 4k square minus 24k. Solving this, we get k is equal to 6. K is equal to 6. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't watched our previous videos, link is given in the description. Actually there are many videos we have prepared for standard 10. You can see all the videos and the links are given in the description. So thank you once again. Do subscribe for more videos. Thank you once again.